Welcome back again in your e-learning classes which is arranged by Bardwan Model School, and I am your Manushi ma'am taking your KG's mathematics class. So last day we have read about ascending numbers. You know these ascending numbers, and I am sure that you also practice at your home these ascending numbers. So today we will learn or we will do something, the activity, a new activity about this ascending order or ascending matter. Okay. So you know what is the meaning of ascending? I have already told you that ascending means is smaller to bigger. You are arranging some numbers or objects. When you will do this ascending way, how we will do this smaller to bigger. Okay, so let's start today's activity. So let's see here. I am drawing a staircase. You know about the staircase? Staircase means we call in Bengali this is shiri. Okay, so I'm draw here a staircase. Okay, and I'm arranging here some numbers randomly in order. Okay, so what I will do? I will do these numbers in arranging in ascending way. Okay, in ascending way. So let's start. First, we found that what is the smallest number in this numbers. Okay, so which one is smallest number? Look here, found this. Yes, 10. So 10 is the smallest number. So first we are arranging this number here in this step, number 10. So we paste here this number. Okay, I'm pasting here this number in the first step. Okay, all right students. Okay, now after 10 which number will come? Let's found here. After 10 which one? Yes, 11. So I'm taking here 11 and just pasting here in the next step. Okay, in this next step. So first step or the smallest one here, the 10, number 10, after that 11, because 10 after till 11. Okay. Next, I am finding here next number after 11. Which one? Yes, obviously 12. So I am taking this number here and of course it is pasting over here 11 after 12. Okay. So here you just see very carefully that I am pasting here this ascending way. How I will do that? 10 after 11 after 12. It is because 12 here the biggest number is 12. 12 is bigger than 11 and also bigger than 10. But 10 after 11, it is the immediate after number. Okay, so I am pasting here 11. 10 after 11 after 12, because we are not skipping here. Okay, when we will go to the steps in the staircase, we are not the skip these steps. Okay, then we are falling down. Okay, so that's why we are not skipping. So next number after 12 is, we just found here after 12, you can see here, yes, 13. After 12, the number is 13. So I'm pasting here this number 13. Okay. All right. So 10, 11, 12, 13. After 13, just see here, 14. Okay. So I'm pasting here also this number 14. Okay, here look. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14, which number will come? Yes, 15. So I'm keeping or pasting here. This step is the next step is after 14 is 15. Okay. So next, which number will come? I know you everybody know this. After 15, the number will come 16. Okay. So 16 I'm taking here and also pasting over there. Okay. So these are the steps and we will go to these steps upward, down to upward. Okay. So after 15 it is 16. 16 after the number which will come? Which number will come after 16? 17. Yes, very good. You everybody say this. I know. Okay, and I'm taking here and pasting over there. Okay, so it is also 17. After 17, you know which come? Which number? 18. So I'm taking this and again pasting here. Okay. Next, after 18, 19. Again taking this and I will pasting over here. Okay. And after 19, last number is which one? Which one? Last number, only the number is 20. So, I'm taking this and last number is 20. I'm pasting here this number. So, here you also can say the which one is smallest number. I have already told you that 10. Here 10 to 20, the smallest number is or least number is 10. And the biggest number here, yes, 20. Okay, because we are stepping here to the upward direction. Here is called this upward direction. This arrow is showing this upward direction. So it is called in ascending direction or ascending way. We have arranged these numbers ascending way. So first 10 is the smallest one. Here smallest one the number is 10. After that 11. After that 12 because it is the immediate number of these numbers. 10 immediate number is 11. Immediate number is 12 and immediate number is 13. Okay. Here I have already told you but again I am saying this. Here 10, 11, 12. 12 is bigger than 11 and also 10. Okay. Big, but here is the smallest one is 10 and 11 is the immediate after number. Okay. So I am putting here 11. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and last number and biggest number here it is 20. So it is the way to you have to arranging this ascending numbers or ascending way these the numbers. Okay. Can you understand? I know you everybody also understand this. But you have to practice at your home these numbers to arrange this ascending way. Okay. So what you will do? First you will arrange some numbers and you will arrange these numbers in randomly and taking and found this number, find out this number from there and also keeping this in the ascending way. First you putting this smallest one and after that after number and the biggest number. So smallest to biggest. Okay, smaller one to bigger one, small to big, upward, down to upward. It is the way and it is This way we can say this ascending way or ascending numbers. Okay, or we are arranging numbers in ascending way. So it is your today's activity. You will try at your home and practice at your home. Okay, next day we will meet something new or new activity. Okay, so still then stay tuned and keep watching our videos. Tata.